My name is Kane. I am the owner and managing director of Ridgeway. We started in 1969 on Ridgeway Street in Belfast. We set up an idea of supplying equipment to the construction engineering trades, and we've expanded the business into various sectors. We're involved in site setup, with temporary fencing, with demarcation. We're involved in products used for edge protection, for scaffolding. We're also involved in the coatings business, where we actually sell Greco paint spray equipment and pumping equipment for the fabrication companies out there. So it's a real mixed bag of product right across many sectors. We've introduced a product called the QA filter unit, which we have renamed as a rock bag, and it's used for subsea scar protection and cable protection, pipeline protection for subsea assets. And we're focusing on the subsea market and the installers to add value to protecting the assets of the clients who are putting wind farms and pipeline and cables into the seabed.
So the core function of the rock bags is for scour protection of the offshore wind farms around sort of monopile bases, jacket structures, gravity bases. But as well as that, they're also used for cable protection. Looking at the overall stability of the cables is a big factor when it comes to offshore wind, and the rock bags are a real influential and bespoke solution for protecting subsea cables and the foundations.
The unique characteristic of the rock bag is its dynamic and flexible shape. We utilise a local aggregate always where we're working, which helps reduce the carbon footprint. The product itself is made from recycled plastic bottles. It's extremely safe. All our testing and analysis on the leachate over extrapolated testing has proved it is extremely safe in the sea and in the river environment. Well, Vesta and I were actually the people that introduced us to the Japanese going back some 12 years ago, and really from then it's springboard. Our involvement with the team during that year has been quite low-key, but in more recent times with the focused team, we're visiting a lot more trade shows with them. We're having a bit of fun. We're introducing ourselves to clients. They're seeing the added value for us and introducing us to other opportunities in the market. So that relationship's growing, and see that being very successful in the future.